All right, so welcome everybody. It's Sunday, the 29th of December. And as I was saying in my yesterday's video, I was expecting the price to come up to this box. And we in fact did. We came up to this high volume node, which was somewhere around the 500,000 area. And we bounced right off of it. And now we are kind of rolling down here. So you can see the daily open level here, which is also very close to the weekly open level, which now acts as a support, or I should say resistance. And this weekly open level have been also acting as a resistance right here. When it was actually a support, we were bouncing off of it a couple of times here, and then finally we slashed through it, and now we are kind of rolling down. So overall we are in a downtrend, and you can see that by looking at search Flux's indicators like the EMAs here. We have the bearish cross, and you can see that the 100 EMA is all the time staying on top of the other 20 and 55 EMAs. So that suggests that there might be still there is some more downward action here. So the daily open also doesn't look promising, because once we opened, we immediately went straight down, and then we kind of bounced off the level twice or three times. We are also seem to be losing this trend line here, which was also acting as a support a few times. So now we broke it down. Also, if you look at search Flux B on the 30 minutes, we have a bearish divergence right there, right? So that indicates that we were likely to go down from and break this line. If we go to a lower time frame, you can see the divergence even more clearly here. Let me look at 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is not showing anything. Yeah, so on those lower time frames, we have this divergence right here. And if we also look at our TPO chart, you can see that we left a poor high right over here. So what I'm expecting, and by the way, poor low, sorry. So it's this area right here. So, and because we are in this rising wedge type of thing here, and we broke it, what I'm expecting now is the price at least go down to this level and take these highs. So either wick down, which could mean that we are going to touch this line, which is a line for this channel that I got marked. Right, so we have right here this line, and then this support line, which you can see almost perfectly pinpoints these touches here. So what can happen right now is we can go down without taking away this wick, but taking out these lows, and end up somewhere in this area right here, where we touch this channel, and then we slowly start to go up and either create another one of these wedges like we saw here, here, and here, and then go further down, or start to slowly bounce up, maybe get up to the middle of the channel, or take out this high, or maybe even go up to the top of this channel. And there is also a nice level here, which is a previous week equilibrium. This level was not tapped yet, because here the price almost went up to it. And also we have the some other levels here, like the weekly high and the previous week high as well, is sitting at the same level. So this is a lot of resistance here and confluence. So given that it's the holidays and that the volume is really low, as you can see right here, it would be difficult to imagine Bitcoin pumping basically. So I'm expecting some more downward action. So either we bounce off of this area, off of this line, or we go straight back down, taking away this low and bounce off of this box. Because there is also some levels here and some resistance. So we have the resistance from the beginning of the month. Here is the blue line, and then we have the previous week value area low, and then we have what is this, weekly low and previous week low as well, coming in this area right here. Another thing that kind of tells us or predicts more downward action is that if we look at the CVD, you can see that on the 15-minute we have a bearish divergence here. So the price is going down, and here on the CVD you can see that the CVD indicator is going up. So this is like a bearish hidden divergence, and another confirmation that we can expect some more downward momentum. But where we're going to stop or bounce from, you know, with Bitcoin, you never know. It can be a quick move down and a quick move up again, or it can be something similar like this, right? Because we have those three steps here, this was the first one, dump, second one, dump, third one, and then perhaps this scenario is going to play out again, where we dump around this level and start to build up in a form of a wedge again. So all in all, I'm going to be looking for a bounce either below these highs or from this line. And if there are some clear indication of a bounce on the Surge Flux B, we have some bull diffs perhaps, like we had back here, it would be worth to take a long trade. Otherwise, it's all shorts for now. On the other side as well, right? Hidden bearish divergence. So nothing really that would predict more upward movement. Okay, so that's it for this quick update, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.